How to add dating time to Instagram story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So first we want to go to our Instagram app, and then from here we have to click on that plus icon from the right top corner, and then from
How to
here you want
add
to go
dating
to
time to
story. So from here you want to upload a picture, or you just can take a picture from here. So I will upload one. And then from here you want to go to stickers, so I will show you two ways. So like I said, go to stickers, and then from here you can either choose this sticker right here, and you can change it however you want, and you can also add the time. So let's go back to stickers, and here we have the time, and if you want to change it you just have to click on it. So the second way is going back from here, and you want to scroll all the way to the last effect, to browse effect. So click on that, and from here you want to search for Now 2.0. So once you did that, you can go ahead and click on the first option or the second one. So I will click on the second one, and you can now click on try it. So if you want to change the style, you can just tap. So if now it's Wednesday, I will leave it just like this. You can now take your picture, and that's it. So yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and you can also ask some questions if you have some. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye bye.